Hey, welcome back to Sample Sunday. It's your boy Mike Snow. So this week's sample came from my boy Cashmere Royale. He sent me an East Coast pack and I absolutely love it. He's one of the dopest producers in the game in my opinion, and his packs are fire. Now on top of that, I added this flute and this bass line. Next up, my favorite part, the drums. So I started with this kick and this snare. Next up, I added the hi-hats. Next, I added shakers and a crash. Then on top of that, went back, did some mixing, mastering, panning, added effects. Here's the final product.